Here we are on the ninth Monday night session of the season. Despite the issues that I've had making the 10-pin during this first quarter, I'm pretty happy with how the rest of my stats have gone so far. Although I know that it will be almost impossible for me to finish the first quarter with 80% of single pin spares made, I would feel good if I could get that stat up to 78% so that I won't have to focus too much on it during the second quarter. The missed 2-pin in the third frame of Game 1 gave me a good indication that I needed to switch to a more aggressive ball. I didn't make the ball change immediately, however. I believe that I changed balls prior to the 6th frame, where I also left a 2-pin spare. That time, the ball that I was using was strong enough to hook a few more boards and not nearly miss the 2-pin like in the 3rd frame. The first ball of the 9th frame was just a little too slow and hooked early through the nose of the pins. With the exception of the missed 10 pin in the 8th frame, I'm pleased with the outcome of Game 2. I may have gotten a lucky strike in the 5th frame, but the 8th frame could easily have been a strike. The 10 pin even wobbled a little, but didn't fall. Therefore, I feel like my luck kind of evened out. I simply need to do a better job of making 10 pin spares. I've done the math and I've missed 16 10 pins so far this quarter, which means I'll have a lot of room for improvement during the second quarter.
Hey, we got $45 for game 3.
Yeah, it's a play. It's called shit out my Alright, I gotta play defense. Fumble. Yes, sir.
I'm not too upset about the 4 pin that I missed in the 3rd frame of Game 3 because I pretty much hit the target that I was aiming at when I released the ball. I think I just need to move a board or two to the right when shooting at that spare from now on. I thought the rest of the game went well, however. With only 1 session remaining in the first quarter, I'm hoping to finish strong and have a nice start to an even more successful second quarter. For anyone that has made it this far into the video, I appreciate you watching.